Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. If today is your first time of coming to my channel, please do it to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment on the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create UK TikTok account. Yes, we all know that currently, if you want to earn money from your video, from you posting videos on TikTok, you must have this foreign account, either UK, USA, and I think some other countries. But in today, I'll be teaching you how to create UK or other countries. The same way I'm teaching you how to create UK TikTok account is the same way you can use to create any other country TikTok accounts you want. And it's not that you cannot earn from Nigeria accounts. You can earn with work with artists, going live, and people coming to gift you. But for your video, for TikTok to pay you for your video, you need this foreign account, either UK, USA. So that is what I am going to be teaching you in today's video. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be heading into the video.
TikTok app. No, I've not logged in any account, but you can use the one that you have logged in any account, then switch to create a new account. Let's click on login. Now, login, sign up over here. Then this location you need to change. This is where the trick comes. By continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you click on this Nigeria, then search for United Kingdom or any country account you want to click, then click on your Google, continue with. Then this account, Princess Carrie, I've not used it to create any account. It's a new account I just created now, so you click on it. Then put your details. Just put your details, any details you want to put. Continue. If that is the nickname you want to use, just continue. You can go ahead to change it later. So you have done it. I'm not interested. Don't put your phone number, please. So this is where you will know if it's actually a new UK account, if it's actually a UK TikTok account. This TikTok studio, you click on TikTok studio. Monetization. You can see all the monetization that is on UK TikTok, especially this creator rewards program is here for you to know that it's actually legit. If that creator reward program is not there, you know that okay, it's not actually legit. You can see be 18 years, notify me when I am eligible. So this is how you create your UK TikTok account.
And you can see that it's very easy to create UK TikTok account from the comfort of your home, no matter the location you are. And you can see that everything that is in this account is in the normal UK TikTok account, and this is UK TikTok account. You can earn, you will have TikTok shop there. You can earn from your videos. So I am so happy that I discovered this, so I decided to come and share it with you all. If this video was helpful to you, kindly like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, write it on the comment section. See you on my next video. Bye.